Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the choices when seeking auto repair services in Cleveland? Rad Air Downtown Cleveland has built a reputation in the area, but is it the best option for you? Cleveland Auto Repair stands out with its commitment to superior service and transparent pricing. While Rad Air has its strengths, there are crucial reasons to consider Cleveland Auto Repair for your vehicle. Customers often appreciate Rad Air for their friendly service and quick diagnostics, but are there hidden downsides? Many reviews mention high costs and concerns about upselling unnecessary repairs at Rad Air. Moreover, long wait times and a lack of specialization can leave customers frustrated and unsatisfied. In contrast, Cleveland Auto Repair specializes in high-end vehicles, including luxury brands like Cadillac and Jaguar. Our expert technicians bring extensive experience, ensuring that your luxury vehicle receives the care it deserves. Transparent pricing is a cornerstone of Cleveland Auto Repair, providing an upfront breakdown with no hidden fees. Unlike other shops, we focus on fixing only what truly needs to be repaired for your vehicle. Understanding that your time is valuable, we prioritize fast diagnostics and efficient repairs for every customer. Enjoy same-day service on many repairs, relieving the stress of waiting longer than necessary. At Cleveland Auto Repair, personalized customer service sets us apart and ensures your unique needs are heard. Here, you're not just a number, we treat you like family and care about your vehicle's history. Conveniently located at 6211 Cedar Avenue, we are easily accessible from across the Cleveland area. With competitive pricing, you receive outstanding service quality at a fraction of the cost of Rad Air. Our customers rave about their experiences, many have saved hundreds with honest, caring mechanics. If you want fast, professional, and affordable service, Cleveland Auto Repair is the clear choice for luxury vehicle care. Make the smart decision, visit us or call 855 CLE Auto today for unmatched auto repair service.